मारो गोली साले को. This is what people say, you know, whenever somebody comes live, you know. मैंने खुद देखा है कि जब भी कुछ लोग लाइव चलाते हैं ना तो बहुत छेड़खानी करते हैं, and because of that, people get upset. But now, when I look back, at what people did, मुझे कभी हंसी आता है कि एक बंदे ने ना बोला मारो गोली इसको, छोड़ो मत. तो it's like, whenever you do a live, you get n number of people who actually try to put you down. But one thing I have realized as well in this short term of being in YouTube is that अगर आपको आगे बढ़ना है ना तो yes you have to ignore these dumb idiots who come and put comments, unnecessary comments. मैं तो कमेंट ही उड़ा देता हूँ, कभी कभी कमेंट सेक्शन ऑफ करके रखता हूँ, देखते हैं कौन क्या करता है. तो this is the reason why most of my videos I have put the comment section off, because I get so many irritative comments, people whom I don't even know. पता नहीं वो किस जन्म में कहाँ जन्म लिया होगा, उसको मेरे ऊपर इतना गुस्सा क्यों आता है, किस वजह से आता है भगवान जाने. बट ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग आई रिस्पेक्ट एवरीबडी. मैं सबको इज्जत देना चाहता हूँ यार. और अगर मैंने कुछ गलती भी कर दिया हो या मेरे वजह से कोई हर्ट भी हुआ होगा, मैं उन लोगों को यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आई वुडंट हैव डन इट वांटेडली और पर्पसफुली या मीनिंगफुली. आई always respect people, and out of that I have a few names to mention as well, and I don't mind mentioning their name. There is one of my friend by name Pinky. Her name is actually she's got a channel called as Creation Aradhya 2.0 cooking. It's a cooking channel. I became a very good friend of hers, but there were certain miscreants in those live as well who were trying to bully me and all those things. But I was happy to see her comment yesterday in my community post wherein I had put a church post, and she replied. So it really kind of brought that happiness in me, that yeah, people do like me and they respect me even today for what I did for them back those days. So whether it's a small help or a big help or just a kind of what you call a small thing that I did for them, if they are able to think about it and say a thanks to me, guys, nothing more than that. So guys, whoever is doing live, please do not put yourself down. At whatever you do, whatever people might say, just discard it and just start moving ahead. And don't think that there's only 2 or 3, because 26,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स बट हैं सिर्फ 2 लोग लाइव में. मैंने खुद देखा, आई हैव सीन इट माई सेल्फ. So considering that, having a small number, my channel is a very small channel, so I'm happy as to how my channel is doing. And honestly, again I'm telling you, this is not my profession, neither is something which I'm more interested in. This is just time pass मेरे लिए. मतलब हाँ, मेरा हॉबी है यूट्यूब में वीडियोस बनाना और अपने आप को प्रदर्शन करना, जो भी बोलते हैं. तो दैट इज़ इट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर इज़ नथिंग मच दैट आई नीड टू से अबाउट माई सेल्फ. तो अगर आप लोग मेरे चैनल देख रहे हो तो प्लीज़ मुझे भी सब्सक्राइब करो यार, थोड़ा बहुत सपोर्ट कर दो. कोई भी नया बंदा है जो देख रहा है, इट्स नॉट गोना कॉस्ट यू एनीथिंग. जस्ट एक सब्सक्राइब बटन और एक लाइक बटन दबा दो, ठीक है. Thank you very much for all the support over, and to my existing subscribers, तो दिल से धन्यवाद भाई. That's all I can say. Take care, thank you, bye, and I love you guys. Bye bye.